Hello students. Now in this fourth part we are going to study about the Marathi theatre, that is drama. Theatre is a form of performing art developed to performances either solo or collective. Actors and audience both are integral part of Lalit art. Now what are the elements of theatre? Script is important, then artist, actor, critic, audience, music, dance, director, light arrangement, art design, costumes, makeup, all these are the elements of theatre. Now, contribution of Bhosle rulers of Tanjore. The rulers of Tanjore, the Bhosle family, were great patterns of drama. Some of them had written a few plays also. They promoted plays in Marathi language and southern languages. Some of them translated a few Sanskrit plays also. Vishnudas Bhave. He is known as the father of Marathi theatre. Sita Swayamvar was the first play presented by him, that is Vishnudas Bhave. It was followed by many historical, mythological and also light pharisaical stage plays. The pharisaical plays dealt with many social issues in a humorous way, that is comedy. Now what is farce? Farce is a light theoretical comedy which aims at entertaining the audience through situations which are highly exaggerated, extravagant and thus improbable. In the 20th century, farce found new expression in the films of Charlie Chaplin. Farce is centered around situation. It maintains a high tempo during performance. Now we are going to talk about Vijay Tirthane. In the initial years, written scripts were not used. Lyrics were written down, but the dialogues used to be spontaneous. Means today we are writing dialogues, then the artists are learning. It was not like that. In that time, the spontaneous, they have to speak the dialogues. Vijay Kirtane was the first author who wrote the script of the play. Thorle Madhavrao Peshwa in 1861. With that, started the tradition of script writing. Khayal. In the later half of the 19th century, Balkrishna Bua Ichalkaranjkar made the special efforts to introduce classical khayal music in Maharashtra. Ustad Ali Aday Khan, Ustad Abdul Karim Khan, Ustad Rahmat Khan contributed greatly in developing a taste for classical music among the audience in Maharashtra. What is khayal? Khayal is believed to be an Arabic term meaning thought, imagination. The word came to India with the Persian language. Khayal implies the ideas of some sort of song or verses which is imaginative and conceptual in the nature or its execution at will. Musical play. Now what is musical play? Sangeet Natak. Anna Sahib Kirloskar, Govind Balal Deval, Shripad Krishna Kolhatkar, Krishnaji Prabhakar, Khadilkar, Ram Ganesh Gadkari, all these they were connected to this Sangeet Natak. Krishnaji Prabhakar Khadilkar brought on stage the play Kichak Vad. He symbolized Draupadi as helpless mother India, Yudhishthira as moderates, Bhima as the extremist and Lord Curzon was shown as Kichak. This play created discontent in the mind of the audience against the British rule. Nata Samrat Vishnu Vaman Shirvadkar, that is Kusumagraj from Nasik. You all know Kavi Kusumagraj, the very good monumentary houses there. A famous author poet wrote the famous play Nata Samrat. It is based on Shakespeare's well-known play King Lear. The character of tragic protagonist Ganpatrao Belwalkar represents blend of two well-known personalities of early Marathi stage, Ganpatrao Joshi and Nana Saheb Phatak. Indian film industry. Cinema is an audiovisual medium that brings together art and technology. This is a modern vision, modern source of entertainment. With the technology of motion pictures, the film industry started. It gave rise to the era of silent movies where the dialogues were not there, only the movies were there. Later, the technology of sound recording was introduced and the age of talkie, movies with sound, started. Maharashtra has the honor of making and releasing the first full-length movie, that is Dada Saheb Phalke's Raja Harishchandra was the first Indian movie, and it was been produced and directed by Dada Saheb Phalke. Even he is this personality is from our Nasik only. Was the first movie completely processed and released in India. What are the silent movies? The contribution of Harishchandra Sakaram Bhatvedkar, also known as Save Dada, is very important in the development of Indian movies. He was the first Indian to make a film motion picture in Mumbai. Madan Rao Madhav Rao Pitale and the Patwardhan family of Kalyan has great contribution in the field of movie making. Gopal Ramchandra Torane and his associates made a movie Pundalik with the help of foreign technicians and released it in Mumbai in 1912. Dadasaheb Phalke directed a full-length movie Raja Harishchandra. It was the processed fully in India and released in Mumbai in 1913. Like everything, we have not taken the help of the foreign technology. Everything was done and completed in India only. That was Raja Harishchandra movie. He also made silent movies like Mohini Bhasmasur, Savitri Satyavana. He also made documentaries on the rock-cut caves of Verul and pilgrim centers of Nashik and Trambakeshwar. Anandrao Painter was the first one to make a cine camera of Indian make. Now all these contribution was done from Maharashtra. It started in Maharashtra. So it was all this lesson was about the entertainment right from the very ancient ways of and the sources of entertainment through to the modern means of the entertainment, the sources of modern entertainment. Hope you have understood the lesson, students. Thank you.